All right, here we go. This is another how-to with Craig. This is your discussion mapping assignment. This actually might be your first how-to because this is early in the class. So basically what you're going to do is, well, first of all, you want to know what a discussion map is. A discussion map is a tool I created to help you synthesize your learning and prepare you to answer your discussion question. So this is what it looks like. So you're going to download it before each discussion question. There'll be a spot that says like this discussion mapping. There'll be a link right here. You want to click on that link, discussion mapping assignment. And then there should be a link to the video also that goes along with the assignment. So first download this, click on this link. If you can't access this, you are not in your school account and you need to be. Most likely. And then I've given you the prompt, which is also the prompt for the discussion question that follows this assignment, but I've given it to you here as well. Okay, so you're going to have to remember that. This is what it looks like. You'll see this, you'll get a link and you'll get an opportunity to make a copy of this. The way that Canva does it, a little bit different than Google, but the way that Canva does it. So you'll get a link that you can then edit, and you have 6 things that you need to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll go over each of those in a minute. You can rewrite in here if you want, but you're going to rewrite it in these boxes, and I don't care if it fits exactly in the box or not, but that's where I want you to put the information. So it gives a visual sort of like a image kind of it. It's like doing a discussion map, right? Where you have a topic and then you have these sections here, and we'll talk about each one of those. So the first 3 are learning, teaching, and connection. So in learning, I want you to think about what you've just read, watched, or looked at in this, and then in this space, tell me what are 2 things that you think are most important about the information you were just given. Okay, so you need to write down those 2 things here. This one, you can just list them. You don't have to be complete sentences. Imagine what you have to teach somebody about what you just watched. Now, what are the 3 most important things you need to tell someone about this topic? Okay. So you can, and again, you can list those as well. And then finally, those connections. So, in a minimum of 2 complete sentences, explain how this topic relates to what you are studying in this class. Okay. That should be pretty simple. Okay. So, those are the first 3 things. The next 3 things: questions, a visual, and the discussion prompt. So you would go back to that discussion prompt I showed you before, and you would answer it here. And that's key because this is also going to be your answer to the discussion question. So you want to copy and paste that to your discussion board, which comes up next after the discussion mapping assignment. Okay. Let's talk about these specifically, and we'll go backwards. So that I talked about your discussion prompt. The visual is just a picture. Find a picture on the World Wide Web, on Google us, and paste it right in this space. Get rid of the words, paste it right there. This one, I see so many students say, "I have no questions." Okay, too bad. Then come up with a question, fake it. Imagine it's a quiz to yourself, but if you don't answer this question, or if you say, "I have no questions," you don't get points for it. All right? Easy. Then just submit and share it with me. In Canva, you have the share option, so it'll come right back to me, or you can download the assignment and submit it into the class, like you submit all assignments. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Here we go.